Keeping your pool clean and swimmable is no simple task. A good pool filter is a must for any pool owner, since it's designed to remove particles such as dirt, dust, and algae, providing you with a clear and healthy swimming environment. Finding the perfect pool filters can be overwhelming with so many options available, each offering unique features, benefits, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've done extensive research, analyzed countless reviews, and curated a list of the best pool filters from trusted brands. These products are specifically chosen to help people like you find comfort and support. For pricing and additional details, don't forget to check the description below. Now, let's dive straight into the video. Number 1. Intex Crystal Clear Cartridge Filter Pump. Just because you're on a budget doesn't mean you can't have crystal clear pool water that's healthy enough for the whole family to enjoy those sunny days. The Intex 28637EGC 1000 Crystal Clear Cartridge Filter Pump is designed for smaller pools, as you can only use it for 8 hours a day. For a pool with 6,000 gallons of water or less, this is more than enough time to get plunge-worthy swimming water. Maintenance consists of replacing the cartridge in the filter every couple of weeks, and it's compatible with both Type A and C cartridges. It has a 25-foot power cord and is extremely lightweight at just 6.8 pounds. It comes with one replaceable filter cartridge and an aeration technology inlet fitting, an innovative feature that improves the filtration by making finer particles clump together and fall to the bottom of the pool instead of floating around in your swimming space. It also increases the negative ions on the surface for even fresher water. Keep in mind, this purchase doesn't come with a plunger valve or outlet fittings, and partial assembly is required. However, it does come with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Number 2. Hayward Cartridge Pool Filter. We chose the Hayward W3C12002 Star Clear Plus Cartridge Pool Filter as our top pick for the best pool filter overall. We tested this option and found that it efficiently removed debris and kept water clear even when faced with challenges like heavy plant debris or a particularly dirty pool. Installation is quick and easy, and since there's no need for backwashing or sand changes, the filter requires minimal maintenance, making it a convenient choice. The 120 square foot filtration area, with a 120 GPM flow rate and extra-large cartridge, provides maximum performance. The single locking knob design gives you easy access to the filter cartridge for cleaning or replacement. The tank itself is built to last, constructed from durable, glass-reinforced copolymer material that withstands the elements and resists corrosion. It's also virtually noiseless during operation. While some users have reported issues with the pressure gauge seeming fragile and easily racked, we didn't encounter any problems during our evaluation. Overall, the Hayward option offers excellent value and high-performance filtration capacity. Number 3. Hayward Filter Pump System. If you're looking for a good DE filter for an above-ground pool, the Hayward W3EC40C92S Perflex Diatomaceous Earth Filter Pump System has a 1-horsepower pump that churns water at a flow rate of 40 GPM, and it's compact and lightweight, since it only has 4 pounds of diatomaceous earth powder. This filter can remove even the smallest of debris and dust particles to provide you with clean, clear, and healthy swimming pool water. It clears cloudy pool water within 24 hours, and although it has a higher price tag, it's durable and reliable. When it comes to maintenance, unlike other pool filters, the Perflex DE doesn't require any backwashing. You only need to utilize the system's special feature that activates the tubes in order to get rid of any dirt. Another great thing is that it uses less resistance than other similar models, which means it's more energy efficient too. In addition, you can use it if you have a saltwater pool. This filter is designed for installation below the water level and gravity-fed water on the side of the intake. There's no cover for it, it can handle being outdoors perfectly fine, and it comes with the hoses and clamps and practically everything you need for installation. Number 4. Hayward Perflex DE Pool Filter. We've mentioned Hayward a few times in this roundup, and for good reason. It's a leading manufacturer of high-quality pool equipment. The Hayward W3EC65A Perflex DE Pool Filter is our top pick for in-ground pools. A patented filter design makes it so you can go longer between cleanings. When it's time for a refresh, the handy bump handle makes it easy to shake loose any trapped dirt. The built-in pressure gauge gives you a clear picture of how the filter's performing and lets you know when it's time for a cleaning. Its heavy-duty tank is molded from high-strength thermoplastic, so it's durable and corrosion resistant, even in harsh outdoor environments. And if that's not enough, Hayward claims it can filter out particles as tiny as 2 microns on the very first pass. Talk about crystal clear water. The only downside? Some users have reported issues with the valve cracking or arriving cracked straight out of the box, so be sure to inspect your filter carefully upon delivery. Number 5. Doheny's Cartridge Filter. The Doheny's Pool Pro Cartridge Filter has a smaller pump with 0.75 horsepower and is made with a non-woven material for a maximum flow rate of 73 GPM. It can filter pools up to 12,000 gallons and comes with a 6-foot power cord, a pressure gauge, release valve, and a 1.5-inch connector. The filter's construction is impressively hardy. It's made from a long-lasting and weatherproof plastic. Both the pump and cartridge elements are top-loading with ring lock lids that seal tightly and prevent them from getting stuck. The filter lid has a pressure gauge and a release valve for releasing accumulated air pressure. The filter and pump are available in different sizes if this is too small for your pool. If you don't need the pump, you can also purchase the filter only. It doesn't ship to California, though. The hoses don't come with the unit, so you'll have to buy them separately, although you do get a 1.5-inch threaded/quick connector. That's it for today. I create helpful videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. If you're looking for additional details or want to check the product prices, you'll find all the information in the description. Have questions or need assistance? Feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more amazing products to make your life easier.